Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we want to have a conversation based around calls we've been getting from our clients. A lot of different calls recently, but they all had a general theme to them. So it's the most exciting topic on the planet. We're going to be talking about homeowners insurance. So here we go. Really, more specifically, the calls we've been getting recently were about apparently there's a couple more insurance companies that are pulling out of Barnstable County. They're just not making money here. So when that happens, we find the clients are getting calls saying, hey, we're not going to renew your insurance, so you need to go find something else. So really, we've got a handful of those calls in the last week or two, and we help direct them to carriers that and local agencies that might be able to help them. So we've got kind of 5 tips on how to best make sure you get the best coverage and the best rates on your insurance. So tip number 1 is always for us, use a local agent. These people not only know the insurance ins and outs, as do other companies, bigger companies from around the country or these national deals, but these people live here. So they also really understand the local climate, the local environment, and what it takes to really properly insure yourself on Cape Cod. So that's number 1. Number 2, when you call your agent, ask about bundling. What if I, take my car insurance from this other company and bring it in with this new company together with my homeowners? Do I get a discount for bundling? Not every company will, but you never know. Sometimes you can save a good deal of money by doing that. Number 3, when you're talking to the agent about insurance, ask specific questions, especially around flood coverage. And I'm not talking about a separate flood insurance if you're right on the coast. People don't really understand flood coverage all that well. So flood coverage, wind damage, what does it cover? What is it, what's the peril there? Is it every time the wind blows, or is it a named storm? So you want to ask about flood coverage, wind damage, and also, again, we're going back to something we talked about a few weeks ago. If you have oil heat, what is the coverage for a toxic spill like oil or some other chemical that gets into the ground? So you want to ask for those coverages, or at least ask for the explanation, and then make a decision based on what you hear. So number 4 is ask for ways that you may be able to save money without cutting coverage. Sometimes if you put a security system in, you can get a little bit of a discount. We've found that we've done the roof over. The roof needed to be done anyways on one of our properties, and by doing that, just prior to getting the insurance, renewed, we were able to get a much better rate, because we had a newer roof on the property. So that was one less thing they really had to worry about. So last but not least is number 5, make sure you have enough coverage based on your home's current value. Home prices have gone up, and you don't want to find out after the fact that your insurance wasn't adjusted accordingly and you don't have enough coverage should you have a major loss. So if you're wondering about your home's current value, we're happy to supply you with a free home equity analysis, which then you can take and use with your insurance agent and say, hey, I believe I need X amount more coverage. And Tori will have all that information below if you're interested in that complimentary equity analysis, or you can certainly call us and we'll refer you to someone that can answer the questions. We are not insurance agents, but this is a big thing when it comes to homeowners, especially on the Cape, and they rely on us to help them with that information. So we're happy to refer you to someone local that we know, like, and trust. We hope you found this information helpful. And if you did, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you get notified when we post new information. And feel free to share this with friends or family if you think it might be useful to them. We'll see you next week. It's too late. No. Too late, baby, now it's too late. Covered. Sure about your homes. Let me just go back to the beginning of that one. Sometimes I see it's like, so it lets people know I screwed up. And that's it. Now I do my wrap up, right? But we hope you fondle someone.